In this video, I will show you how to change the icon for an EXE file on your computer. To start, you need an EXE file whose icon you want to change. As you can see, the default icon that Windows assigns to executable files is very basic, so changing it will make your program look more professional and customized. To do this, we will need a free tool called Resource Hacker. Open your internet browser and search for Resource Hacker. Once you find the official website in the search results, click on it to go to the download page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and download the EXE installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Resource Hacker on your system. After the installation is finished, open Resource Hacker. Inside Resource Hacker, click on File and then select Open. Navigate to the EXE file, whose icon you want to change, and open it. You will now see the internal structure of the EXE file, including existing resources and folders. This is where we will add the new icon. Next, minimize Resource Hacker for a moment and open your internet browser again. Go to a website like iconicons.com to search for an icon that you want to use. When you find an icon that you like, select it. Make sure the icon size is set to 32 pixels, and for the file type, choose ICO. Download the icon and remember the location where it is saved on your computer. Now, go back to Resource Hacker, click on Add Binary or Image Resource, then click Select File and locate the ICO file you just downloaded. Open it, and then click Add Resource. You will now see two new folders in the Resources section, Icon and Icon Group. This confirms that the new icon has been successfully added to the EXE file. After that, click on File and choose Save As. Save the file in the same location or in a new folder if you prefer. When prompted to overwrite the original file, click Yes to confirm. Once the process is complete, go to the folder containing your EXE file. You should now see the new icon applied. Open the EXE file to make sure it still works correctly, because in some rare cases, files can get corrupted during the icon replacement process. And that's how you can easily change the icon of any EXE file using Resource Hacker. By following these steps, you can customize your programs and make them look exactly how you want without affecting their functionality.